Hey everyone, this is Jack. Welcome to your free video. So it's pretty straightforward this week. We did a turnaround Tuesday and we essentially rallied for the rest of the week. Now what I'm looking for is the next line of contention is about 100 points higher in the S&P. On Monday and Tuesday, I'll be looking for follow through from the previous 3 or 4 days that we've been trading into these March monthly expirations. Once that's over, I'd be looking for a little bit more chop. So my whole kind of frame of reference here is a follow through and a continuation higher for Monday, Tuesday. That's what we'll be looking for. Another chart that I typically use in the trading rooms is this volume initial balance. And basically what this looks for is where's the next zone that we could be trading in based on this volume profile. So this is pretty far out there, but you can see if we go further up to like 45.25, 45.50, that kind of area, that makes sense because that is the January highs, and we've already made a pretty solid move that direction. So it makes sense for us to pull back a little bit, but it seems like as long as tech is holding like it did for the majority of this week, then we can expect something like semiconductors, Google, Tesla. If you're a Tesla trader, you know that came up and closed above 900 today, so that's going to be something to look for, especially if it's going to continue to come out of a daily squeeze up here on the right hand side of your chart. So continuing to look at things to actually make not new highs or anything like that, but at least going back to mid-January highs, which would be 950 on Tesla, and then from there it's kind of like, well, you know, are we going to continue to go much higher? So right now it's kind of tough to be on the bearish side of things, though if we do continue to push higher on Monday and Tuesday, I'll be looking for a little bit or expect a pullback across the indexes. And I think volatility is still going to be here. Obviously, things are kind of shaken up all over the world, and you know, at a moment's notice, anything could happen. So that takes me to crude, and the reason why I think this has a little bit more room to run under $100 is because this fire line is sitting right at about 89.5. So we might be trading back and forth between 103 and 95 as it kind of figures itself out. But much rather be kind of on the short side based on some of these lower time frames, overhead resistance, lower highs, lower lows kind of thing. But yeah, I think the move down from 120 down to 100 has been profitable enough, but I still want to see if we can get down about 10 points lower and see kind of, you know, if equities continue to get a bid. This may not be great for commodities. So that's very straightforward. You know, it's not too much to add there. The NASDAQ and the S&P all kind of cooperated the way I wanted to see the market into Friday. And so now what I'd be looking for is a little bit more of this on Monday or Tuesday. If that doesn't happen, we got to come in here and kind of change the plan. We'll take a look at it first thing in the Monday morning session in the day trading room and of course in the futures room. So with that said, enjoy your weekend. Pretty basic coverage. You know, it's all been kind of a little bit more directional, which has been nice. And now I'm looking for a little bit more continuation back into about 4,500 and maybe even higher than that. So we'll see how it goes. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in the next update.
Thanks for watching this video. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.